Paleo Diet Cookbook review. So, I'm guessing you've heard good things about the Paleo Diet, but also that it's a tough diet to follow, am I right? Now, it's sometimes referred to as the caveman diet, but the Paleo Diet remains amongst the top selling diet plans ever. And for why? Because most diets revolve around calorie counting and portion control, but the Paleo Diet concentrates on what types of food to eat and those to avoid. For example, dairy and processed food, starches and sugars are out, and this is where it can become challenging. The chances are the majority of foods you currently eat are on the banned list. Eating out can be a nightmare, and cooking at home can be tricky. Even an experienced cook can be at a loss when asked to create tasty dishes that are paleo diet friendly. The restrictions can be intimidating. The good news is the Paleo Diet Cookbook. This online bestseller, digitally downloadable, contains so many paleo friendly recipes that you can start cooking tonight. And all of those paleo diet friendly recipes only include approved ingredients. No more guesswork or figuring out substitute ingredients. It's all done for you. Delicious meals that will help you lose weight fast without counting the calories. And it comes with bonuses, and these include the Paleo 30-Day Jumpstart, Get Started Fast. The Paleo Food and Fails Guide, how to shop right for seasonal food, and a reminders list of the good and the bad when it comes to your paleo diet. The Paleo 4 Ingredients Only Cookbook for double quick meal creation. The Eating Paleo at Restaurants Guide, staying paleo even when eating out. The 1-month paleo meal plan, all done for you step by step, meal by meal. Now, simply put, the paleo diet is challenging, yes, but you can remove that obstacle with the Paleo Diet Cookbook. It's all available right now as a digital download, including all those bonuses, and of course it has a full, no questions asked, 60-day refund policy. So click the link below this video for more details. And if you've got the time, maybe like our video too. But thanks for watching. But click that button below now for more information. It's all good.